One breezy morning, 200 passengers board a massive airplane, flying out from Dallas, Texas to Costa Rica. The majority of these passengers were ecstatic to be able to explore beautiful Costa Rican land. The plane was definitely full of a diverse crowd. Walking outside and excited to get on the plane, some passengers were curious of how tall the staircase was that they were climbing. The airplane staircase is 15 feet tall, the hypotenuse is 30 feet, and the staircase forms a right triangle. With these measurements, use the law of sines to determine the side length and other two angles of the staircase.
Getting ready to depart, the pilot needed to figure out how fast to accelerate his plane in order to depart successfully. There is a 45-degree angle between our heading and the direction of the wind. The airspeed is 100 miles per hour and the wind speed is 20 miles per hour. By using the law of cosines, determine how fast ground speed must be to depart successfully. With a successful departure and nice stewardess at service, passengers were calm and relaxed during the majority of their flight until a catastrophe struck. All of a sudden, passengers heard a loud boom and glanced out their windows to find that an engine had exploded. Frantic and scared, passengers prayed for their lives as they only saw a large jungle-like landscape below them.
The plane quickly dropped and crashed into the top of a large tree. There are 17 remaining passengers found alive. Passengers that survived the plane crash are on top of a massive tree and the sun is hitting them at a direct angle. The 550-foot tall tree casts a 42-foot shadow. What is the angle that the sun is hitting the tree?
Searching for a way out, these passengers find parachutes located in emergency compartments. Not knowing how these parachutes operated, some passengers horrifically fell to their deaths, and 6 safely made it to the ground. A passenger is standing on top of a 550-foot tree and sees the others at the bottom. If the others are 30 feet away from the base of the tree, what is the angle of depression from the passenger to the others? This passenger's eye height is 4.5 feet.
As the 7th passenger safely lands on the ground, they look up in amazement at the size of the tree. A survivor is standing 25 feet from the base of the tree their plane crashed in. The angle of elevation from her horizontal line of sight is 87.4 degrees. If her eye height is 5 feet, how tall is the tree?
All 7 passengers have made it safely to the ground and notice the tree breaking. After about 30 minutes, they see how much the tree has decreased in size when it topples over. The tree finally breaks over and falls over to form a triangle with the ground. The tip of the tree makes a 36-degree angle with the ground 25 feet from the base of the tree. What was the height of the tree to the nearest foot? The 7 strangers need to find shelter. They climb up the smallest tree they find and sleep in it overnight. When they wake up, they find one of the girls to be missing. In a search for her, they finally discover her with a massive black beast in front of her. As they are about to attack the beast, they notice it bows with respect to her. A tribe emerges from the trees and have looks of awe in their face as they have discovered this girl, who is actually a descendant of a tribal chief who leads species to a life of unity with humans, whom they have been searching for 17 years. Sadie, really? Sadie. Blooper number 1. It looked a lot more artsy in my mind.
I'm gonna laugh.
Look amazed.
I can't.
Just say, whoa.
Whoa!
Okay. Hey, Peter, you're too close. Hey, beast. Hey, honestly. Oh, God.
Sadie.
No, come here. Sadie, come here. No, sit. 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 Sit.